Did you know that 4-H offers after-school garden clubs for students across Orange County? Today I'm speaking with Linda Minahan, Orange County 4-H teaching assistant, to learn more about this opportunity. Welcome, Linda.
Thank you, Jana, for inviting me.
Absolutely. So can you just tell us a little bit about what are garden clubs?
Well, 4-H garden clubs are after-school or in-school opportunities for students to learn for their own, make food and to make good nutritious choices. We provide curriculum, materials, teaching, student recognitions. We install 1 to 2 garden beds per site. Nice. So children can have hands-on experience to growing their food.
Awesome. So tell me specifically, what do you teach as part of the garden club?
Some of the teaching topics that I teach are basic gardening principles, how to choose and the site of the gardens, planning the gardens to provide enough space for the vegetables to grow, and just picking the sites for the gardens to grow well.
Okay, all right.
So, every child, it's a good thing. Every child gets a garden journal book. Awesome. And with the garden journal book, it teaches along with the lessons. Okay. And with the lessons, we also have a vegetable tasting test cards. Okay. Where they can taste it and we grade it. And we grade that on A through F, and they get to taste with all 5 senses.
Wow.
And experience that.
Wow. Now, people typically may not associate 4-H with garden clubs. You know, they may think of STEM and 4-H being together, or public speaking. So why particularly are you offering this now?
Well, there are several reasons why we offer the clubs, and they're very important. And one, many students do not have the opportunities for the traditional 4-H to come to their schools or to the, wherever that I'm teaching at. So we just have to bring it to them. Okay. Second, we focus on gardening and nutrition, and we want to make sure that they have, sometimes they pick bad healthy eating habits, and this can stop it by many future health problems. Right. By having them eat healthier eating habits. Yes. And third and finally, we also just want to make them, it's important to know where their food is coming from. Absolutely,
absolutely. So who can do this? Is it just anybody from the community, or who can actually start a garden club?
Okay, that's, we can partner with any organization, with any schools that serves children in and out of the schools. Okay. Examples are, let me see, the extended day programs. We have the neighborhood centers. We care for the any private providers of schools, and then we also have any programs with dealing with any type of schools, in and out, morning or night.
Okay, so as we're wrapping it up, can you tell us how like a community center or school can learn more about this?
Anyone who's interested in the garden club can contact the Orange County 4-H program, and we'll be more than happy enough to assist them with any questions and any possibilities for the future sites for their schools or any providers for children. Right. And then we are also looking for future sites for a few more schools or any providers for this fall if you want to contact us.
Great, great. So they'll know who to contact. So now you know how your school or community can connect with 4-H and possibly start a garden club in your area. Thank you so much, Linda.